But a natural gas leak in a house is much, much more dangerous, because there, usually what happens is the gas mixes with air for a while, and then a spark or something will set it off, and you can get a very dramatic explosion. And that's what I'm going to demonstrate here. So in this can, before the lecture, I filled the can full of natural gas, which is about 90% methane. And there are two holes in this can. There's one in the top where the flame is coming out, and then there's one in the bottom. And what's happening is that the methane, because it's lighter than air, will come out through the hole, and it mixes with air outside the can. And just as the fire and the candle, you have this more or less blue-colored flame, which is hollow. And so there's methane coming up through the middle and mixing with air from the outside. And you have the same sort of sheet of a flame that you had before. And so this thing is mixing with air on the outside of the can and burning. But as the methane comes out the top of the can, air is going in the bottom of the can, and it's mixing with the methane inside the can. And what's going to happen is eventually it's going to produce an explosive mixture inside the can. Now the explosion will occur when the velocity of the gas coming out the top is just a little bit slower than the velocity of the flame burning in. And so you've probably noticed that this started out as a large flame, and now it's a really small flame, and it's going to get even smaller in just a moment. And when that flame gets really, really small, it's going to poke its head just barely inside the can, and then the can's going to explode. So
that's why I'm going into the next room.
You have to be really, really quiet, because sometimes the audience blows the flame out. It gets so slow. It's still about this tall, and in just a few seconds it'll get small enough that it'll be able to poke its head right down inside. So I'm going to back up a little bit. Are you ready in the front row?
Yeah.
It's still